Hello gurus, and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm going to show you my trades, and I'm going to show you what I think is going to happen to the markets. We're going to jump into the technicals. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. The market is looking, there's a lot of volume coming in and it's showing some strength, and I've been starting to ladder into stocks. Yesterday I bought a lot of Coinbase. If you follow my live trades, you can see my trades. And then Coinbase pumped 10%. I also started buying up Facebook. But this is what I'm doing in the markets. You have to always do your own due diligence. I'm showing you what I do in the markets with my money. My goal is to make a lot of money and protect my capital. I don't care if I miss out on a 5% pump and then it dumps again. That's not what I'm doing here. I'm doing small trades, but I'm also really protecting my capital and trying to ladder in close to the bottom and sell close to the top. I still think we've got more to the bottom, so I'm going to be adding to my positions in stocks and cryptos, but not everything. I'm going to slowly start entering because I do believe we have more to the bottom. I'm going to show you in the technical. Smash the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button. I'm going to show you my trades, what I'm doing in the markets. Again, this is what I am doing. I've been showing what I've been doing for 2 years with my money, my capital. I have multiple millions. I'm a venture capitalist in the crypto industry. I've got a course. You can join 6,000 students, learn what I'm teaching. And I've been teaching for more than 10 years. But again, this is what I do in the markets. Everyone always tell me, oh, you did this, I did this, because of you, I did this. You be responsible for your own money. I'm showing what I do, and I make a lot of money. I'm a multiple millionaire venture capitalist. I have a project that fully diluted is around 90 million. MCRT, you want to check that out. It's a play to earn game. We're building World of Warcraft of play to earn. Let me know in the comments section. Do you believe that we're going down more, or do you think we've bottomed out in the crypto markets? In my opinion, search results for Bitcoin all-time low. People are losing interest in alts. Bitcoin still has a lot of volume, but alts don't have much volume, and that's something to be worried about, everyone. When there's not much volume coming to alts, when there's not much interest in crypto, and I know this because, for example, yesterday I was on stage speaking at the WOW Summit. I'm a panel speaker. I'm like kind of in the crypto industry. I do a lot of talks. I go to a lot of conferences, and I can see the interest waning. Especially, I've got a lot of stats on my videos, stats on the amount of people that are trading under my trading team on Bybit. So I can see, and I see the volumes are dropping, which is concerning. In bull markets, volumes are rising on alts. Everything's pumping. Everyone's talking about it. In bear markets, it starts to go quiet, and it's just starting to go quiet. Hopefully, Bitcoin starts pumping. Everyone gets interested again, and everything pumps. It's in my interest. I'm a venture capitalist in the crypto industry. I have so many projects that are vesting over time, but I'm showing you the truth. I'm showing you what I think is happening, and I don't want to sugarcoat it. I'm still building MCRT Magicraft. I haven't sold any MCRT. It's a new project. We have exciting things like NFT marketplace coming out, NFT staking, a play to earn game MVP that's going to rival. Our goal is to rival World of Warcraft with crypto. So a lot of exciting stuff coming from there. I'm not going to sell any MCRT, but I still will show what I'm doing in the markets. If I'm closing portfolio positions, I want to be honest on these videos. I've been making them for 2 years before I released any project. I'm going to keep doing that. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to technicals. And I'm going to just do some, like here we need to be very short term. On the date, because there's a lot of fluctuation. On the daily, we're heading up with volume. Volume predicts price, and a lot of volume coming into Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is pumping, and we are forming a kind of bullish pattern. The target would actually be 45K if we can break out of this descending triangle that we're in. It's kind of a symmetrical triangle, actually. I wouldn't say it's a little bit, actually you could say descending. It's a descending triangle. More symmetrical, and these usually, I teach you technical analysis in the crypto course. These usually build pressure and break to the direction of the trend, which is in the midterm trend. It's actually down. It would actually break to the downside. Short term, it could break to the upside. I actually said yesterday, if we break out and hit this, we're in a very tight channel on Bitcoin. Sometimes it breaks higher, but usually we're between these yellow lines, between 37,000 and 42,000. Everyone gets super bearish down here and super bullish up here, but that's actually, it's just moving sideways and wicking everyone out all over the time. So if Bitcoin actually gets to 42,000, I have a short open from yesterday, a short trade. The short trade ratio is amazing between that channel. I'm the top of the channel to the bottom. I risked $348 to make $5,000 unleveraged. If I do 3 times leverage, that's $15,000 profits. 10x leverage, $50,000 of profits. 100x leverage, $500,000 of profits. So a really nice trade. Risking, for every dollar I risk, I make $14. So my goal is, if Bitcoin actually gets to, which it seems to be failing, but if it gets to 42,000, the top of this yellow channel, shorting it to come down to the 37,000 again. Volume is coming in. Stochastic has more to run on the daily to get to that 42. On the 4 hourly, we're overbought. Volume a little bit dropping off the last 16 hours. We are overbought. There's still room to go on the stochastic, but it does seem like it's facing pressure here. If it can break out of this here, 42,000, that's when I'd short, but most likely it's going to break down here and come to this trend line, 39,400. I think Bitcoin will come down to there, and then if it breaks down from there, then 37,000 will be the next one. But I think Bitcoin will exactly come, if it keeps following this without getting up to 39,520. On the 4 hourly overbought, so I would prefer a short going down to 37,000. Let's see what else. On the EMA ribbons, we are above the EMA ribbon, so it has support. VPVR, the most buying and selling is actually down here at 39,000. That's where all the orders are. So it doesn't have much buying up here to keep it up. So Bitcoin can get knocked down to the 39K, and they'll probably go down to the 39K and then wick everyone down to the 37K, the market makers, to take all the liquidity. Crypto Guru bot is showing a buy. You get that in the course, and the Bitcoin indicator bot is showing a buy. So there is, in 42,000 is most likely, that's where I have my short set up on Bitcoin, which I'm going to show you my trades. Squeeze mob is going towards the green side. Money flow is still flowing into Bitcoin. So there is still more room to run towards the 42 where I have a short open. I'm going to show you my trades. Let's check on the hourly actually. So for the next few hours, stochastic trying to head down. We're making higher lows, but volume is dropping off. So more than likely it's going to break and come down to here, 39,200. I could short it here, but I'm going to keep my short for the 42 in case it gets to the upper end of the channel. Then I get more reward on my short. I'm going to show you my trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, go down below on your phone, hit this thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button. You can join more than 70,000 subscribers. We're almost at 71,000 already. Click the join button to follow my trades in stocks, in cryptos. Down there, it's the YouTube membership. You get notified live of my trades. And if you want to trade like you're seeing me do, Bitcoin trading Bybit link, this link, if you click it, you sign up, you get a sign up bonus of 4,100. And Bybit is my favorite exchange. And this is the trading software that I use. It's one of the biggest exchanges. If you've been using other exchanges, it's very fast. I know the CEO and the founder, and he's a very good guy that's trying to build an amazing company, more than 2,000 workers. He's a family man, and I really trust this exchange. They're the 4th biggest in the world, and they're very fast. They don't liquidate you like other exchanges when there's these liquidation spikes. And again, you get this $4,100 US sign up bonus when you sign up using that link, and it gives you this software. In this account, I have 178,129 US dollars. In here, I'm holding 116,000 US dollars to deploy. I've been buying Bit, $36,000 a bit, and I really like Bit, everyone. The floor price I believe is 90 cents. Why? Because when Bit is the biggest DAO in the world. A DAO is a decentralized autonomous organization, and that I can explain in another video. But what Bybit is doing is they made their own token for the exchange. And the floor price, so what I mean is most investors got to buy Bit at $1.20 if you were early stage investor and you invested more than $1 million. If you were investing tens of millions or more, and only big institutions like Citadel, they could get the price at 90 cents. And they bought it, it only IDO'd 1 year ago. So I don't believe the price would drop below that Citadel, these big institutional buyers price of 90 cents. So we kind of have a floor price. I bought it at $1.10. It's been going up since I bought it, but I want to try to accumulate as much as Bit as I can at 90 cents. So I've got orders set for Bit. I've got in Bitcoin, I've got $20,000 of Bitcoin as well. I've got some orders set for Bit as well. I want to buy more Bit. I've got a Bitcoin order also to buy 0.8 Bitcoin at 36,000. I've got an order to buy 11,000 Bit at 90 cents. I've got an order to buy 10,000 Bit at $1. So those are orders that are sitting. I have a short order in Bitcoin already set from yesterday at 42,700. That's the top of the channel. So if Bitcoin gets to the top of the channel, this yellow trend line, Bitcoin will short at 42,700 automatically, and will take profits at 37,500. And that trade is already set. And it's a really nice trade because I'm risking $79 to make $1,300. So a very cool, nice trade to have actually set. That's the trades I have open. That's what I think is happening to Bitcoin. And again, to trade using Bybit, this software down below, Bybit, Bitcoin trading Bybit link, sign up 4,100. You can take the crypto course with my 5,000 students. You can join our Discord server. There's more than 6,000 people in the Discord server. We've got the Instagram you can follow, Twitter you can follow. Go down below to check all that out. And happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. It's today, St. Patrick's Day. I hope you have a beautiful green day with lots of beer. There's a Gleam campaign, $1,000 giveaway that you can find on jamescryptoguru.com or on my Twitter. Check out that. It ends on the 23rd of March. I have now 20,000 followers on Twitter, which is amazing. We hit it today. Beautiful. Thank you, everyone. And again, make sure you follow James Crypto Guru on Twitter with this blue verified check mark. This is my actual name on Twitter. There's more than 20,000 people following it on Twitter now. This was me yesterday. I was speaking at the summit, the WOW Summit, with Da Vinci, Mende, Crypto Jack. It was beautiful, really nice group of people. When companies go from hating on Bitcoin to adding to their portfolio, that's why I love you, because you're honest in everything you do. Thank you for the warning, James. You're welcome, Abdi. I hope this will turn quickly. Thanks, James. Again, you're such amazing. Thank you so much, James. Thank you so much. Your information is so helpful. Your charting is amazing. Every day, helping people with excellent videos. Thanks, man, once again. Very appreciate, especially during these crazy times. Thank you, Brian. Really spot information up 3,300 just on Bitcoin. You're welcome, Gavin. Yesterday there was an earthquake in Dubai. While I was asleep, I felt the whole thing moving, the whole building at 3 a.m. Very interesting. And this was yesterday on the top of Skyview. There was like a giant, look at this, the clouds and the full moon coming in, the clouds coming over, address Skyview, the roof, which was cool. And this is what I'm talking about. Interest, Google searches on Bitcoin, 1 year low. It's at 12-month low. That's why I'm being very cautious in this market and shorting the punts. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, join 70,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. You're an amazing community. My goal is financial abundance for you all. I make these videos, I'm already retired. I make these videos because I love doing it. It's a passion of mine. I've been teaching for more than 10, now 11, almost 12 years. I've been teaching many people about stocks and crypto investing, and I love doing this. Thank you for watching. You're an amazing community. This is James from Crypto Guru. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.